Hello, my name is Polina, and in this video I'll show you the simple makeup that I use most often. Let's start. For the tone, I use concealer and apply it pointwise under the eyes, on the nose, chin and forehead to hide the redness. I shade everything with a sponge. We fixed the concealer with powder. This will help makeup last longer and give a matte finish. Apply the powder with light brush movements all over the face. The next step is blush. I love cool pink shades. We apply them to the apples of the cheeks for a natural blush, and we blend it a little towards the temples. I paint my eyebrows with eyebrow shadows. I think it's much easier than painting with a pencil. I start from the end of the eyebrow using a darker shade, and I paint the beginning of the eyebrow with a light shade. Then I blend them to make the eyebrows look natural. I apply a little highlighter on my nose. Moisturize my lips with a balm from Nivea and apply a tint from Clio. The makeup is ready, and now the styling. Don't forget about the earrings and the headband. Thanks for watching, bye bye.